Meaning of Gray's Elegy.
Gray's Elegy.
Gray's Elegy.
Gray's Elegy.
Gray's Elegy. Gray's Elegy is a poem written by Thomas Gray in 1751 that reflects on the fleeting nature of life and the inevitability of death. The poem, which is set in a churchyard, portrays the lives of ordinary people and laments their unremarkable deaths. Ultimately, however, the speaker comes to the realization that all people are equal in death and that even the most humble of lives can be worthy of remembrance. Overall, Gray's Elegy expresses a profound sense of melancholy and a contemplative attitude towards mortality.